The series of video demonstrations you will see are demonstrations of experiments in physics with a kit designed and built for the Indian Academy of Sciences, Bangalore. The presentation of the video demonstrations is by Professor R. Srinivasan, who designed the experiments and the circuits for the Science Education Panel of the Indian Academy of Sciences, Bangalore. This Science Education Panel is made up of members from the Indian Academy of Sciences, Bangalore, Indian National Science Academy in Delhi, and the National Academy of Sciences of India, Allahabad. The brief history about this development. The Indian Academy of Sciences, Bangalore, has been conducting refresher courses in many areas of science from 1996. These are 2-week courses intended to update the knowledge of teachers in colleges and universities. In 2001, I, that is Srinivasan, was entrusted with the task of developing a course in experimental physics. With the help of Dr. K.R. PRIOLKAR of the Goa University, some experiments were developed and the first course was held in Goa University Department of Physics in 2001. We wanted to ensure that the experiments were simple and time-saving. They should illustrate physical laws and they should yield values of the quantities within an error of 10%. Simple but effective electronic circuits should be built at low cost to be used in the course. Till 2007, 1 or 2 courses were held every year in different universities. In 2007, the Indian National Science Academy, Delhi, and the National Academy of Sciences, Allahabad, joined hands with the Indian Academy of Sciences, Bangalore, in conducting all refresher courses. The money of the 3 academies is pooled and the academies operate through a science education panel consisting of members of all 3 academies in running the refresher courses. Following the suggestion in 2007 of 25 senior nominees of the Indian Association of Physics Teachers at a meeting in Bangalore, I looked for a company which can be licensed to produce the equipment at a cost to be fixed by the Science Academy. I found such a company, AIAY Sensors and Instruments, in Bangalore. Once the company started producing the equipment for sale, the demand for the refresher courses in experimental physics grew. In 2010 December, we had completed 25 courses. That is, from 2001 to 2010, we did 25 courses. From December 2010 to April 2016, we did an additional 50 courses. In April 2016, the 75th course was held in Kashmir, University. Most of the courses have been conducted in universities or colleges all over the country, from Kashmir to Kerala, Gujarat to Tripura. A few courses are conducted in Jalahalli, Bangalore, where the Academy has built a laboratory. I will now give some statistical data. Total number of courses held till April 2016 in experimental physics, 75. These courses have been held all over the country. Total number of participants trained, more than 2000, of which about 75% are teachers and the rest are students. More than 150 institutions in the country, including the prestigious IAYs, IITs, and central and state universities and autonomous institutions are using the experiments. More than 250 kits have been sold by AIAY sensors and instruments. A detailed manual of 500 pages has been produced on how to do the experiment, and now we have recorded the video of 25 of these experiments. Total number of experiments is about 50. But the 25 experiments are the experiments we conduct when we go outside Bangalore. When we are in Bangalore, we can conduct experiments in low temperatures, experiments in production of thin films and so on, and experiments in optics. Now I will give you some information about the course and how to make a proposal. For about 70 courses, the course director was me. I conducted 70 courses. The Goa University, under Dr. PRIOLKAR's guidance, has been empowered to run the course, and they have conducted 2 courses so far. Third course will start in a few days. Punjab University and Sri Mata Vaishno Devi University in Katra, Jammu have run 1 course each. Professor R. Nagarajan of the Center for Excellence of Mumbai University and TIFR in Mumbai has conducted 1 courses. So that is the distribution of the courses and who conducted the courses. The duration of the course is 16 days, including 2 intervening Sundays. The maximum number of participants will be restricted to 34 because it is an experimental course, and the minimum number should be 20. We will not conduct a course if the number is below 20. Of the total number of participants, 75% should be teaching faculty and the rest can be students. The first 4 days of the course will be devoted to lectures about the experiments. In the following 17 sessions, the participants will carry out all the experiments that I have described in the video in the laboratory. They will do the experiment, they will take the readings, they will analyze the data. If the course is conducted in Jalahalli, We will have experiments in optics, experiments in low temperatures and other experiments. The host institution should contribute 50,000 rupees for the course. The rest of the funds amounting to more than 5 lakhs will be provided by the science academies. For other details on how to make the proposal, please contact either Dr.T.D. Mahabaleswar, this is his email address, or me, this is my email address. The instruments and mechanical setups used in these experiments will be available from AIAY Sensors and Instruments, 45 by 17, Gubbana Industrial Garden, 12A Cross, 6th Block, Rajaji Nagar, Bangalore. The telephone is 080-2330-4997 or 2338-1040. Fax is 080-2338-1040. Email is ajaysensors@vsnl.com. They have a website www.ajaysensors.com. Now for acknowledgements. I am greatly indebted to the following for the support extended to me: Professor A.K. Sood, Professor Dipankar Chatterjee, past presidents of the Indian Academy of Sciences, Bangalore, and Professor R. Ramaswamy, current president. Professor N. Mukunda, past chairman of the Science Education Panel, and Professor K.L. Sebastian, current chairman. Sri G. Madhavan, past coordinator of Science Education Program, Dr.T.D. Mahabaleswar, current coordinator, and Sri C.S. Ravikumar of the Indian Academy of Sciences, Bangalore. I am indebted to my academic colleagues, Dr. K.R. Priolkar of Goa University, Dr. T.G. Ramesh of Bangalore, and Dr. R. Nagarajan of Mumbai for their consistent support. I am indebted to the many persons and local organizers, the many resource persons and local organizers who have helped me to conduct the course. To Sri Ajay Kumar of AIAY Sensors and Instruments for producing the equipment commercially with consistent quality. Finally, to all the participants for their keen interest and enthusiastic participation in the courses. Thank you.